In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepL dark mode. If you spend a lot of time translating or reviewing text, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. It reduces eye strain, especially in low light environments, and can help you stay focused longer. Today, we'll walk through how to enable it in the DeepL app on Windows, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the DeepL for Windows app. You can launch it from the Start menu by typing the app name, or by clicking it from your taskbar if you've pinned it there. If the app is already running in the background, you might also find its icon in the system tray near the clock. Clicking it will bring the window to the front. Once the app is open, head to the settings. Look for a gear icon, usually located in the upper corner of the app window. If you don't see it immediately, check the app's menu or right-click the system tray icon and choose Settings from there. This takes you to the area where you can customize how DeepL looks and behaves. In Settings, select the Accessibility tab. This is where display and visual comfort options live. Accessibility isn't only about screen readers or keyboard navigation. It also covers features that make the interface easier on your eyes, and theme selection is part of that. Now choose your preferred appearance: dark, light, or sync with Windows. Pick dark if you want DeepL to use a darker color scheme all the time. This is ideal for working at night or reducing glare on bright screens. Choose light if you prefer a clean, bright interface with higher contrast in well-lit rooms. If you select sync with Windows, DeepL will automatically match whatever theme your operating system is using. That means if Windows is set to dark, DeepL will be dark. If Windows switches to light, DeepL will follow. It's a great set and forget option, especially if you already have Windows scheduled to change themes at sunset and sunrise. Your selection should take effect immediately, so you can preview how it looks without leaving the screen. If the theme doesn't seem to change, try closing and reopening the app window, or make sure you're on the latest version of DeepL. And that's it. With just a quick visit to Settings and the Accessibility tab, you can tailor DeepL's appearance to your workspace and comfort. Choose what works best for your eyes and your environment, and enjoy a more pleasant translation experience.